What do you ask for while eating a puff? Sauce or ketchup? Have you ever tried to know the difference between the two? Because this video is going to be a detailed difference between them. Sauce and ketchup are both condiments that are commonly used to enhance the flavor of food. While they have some similarities, there are also differences between them. Sauce is a broad term that can refer to a wide variety of condiments such as barbecue sauce, hot sauce, or steak sauce. These sauces are typically made with a combination of spices, herbs, vegetables, and sometimes fruits are also used to add flavor and moisture to vegetables, meats, and other dishes. Ketchup, on the other hand, is a specific type of sauce that is made primarily from tomatoes, vinegar, sugar, and spices. It has a thick, smooth consistency with a sweet and tangy flavor. It is commonly used as a condiment for burgers, hot dogs, and French fries. In terms of nutritional value, both sauce and ketchup can be high in sugar and sodium, depending upon the brand and recipe. However, some types of sauces, such as hot sauce or salsa, may have lower contents of sugar and sodium than ketchup. Ultimately, the choice of choosing between sauce and ketchup comes down to one's personal preference and the type of dish you are eating. If you are looking for a more complex and flavorful condiment to accompany your grilled meat or vegetables, you might prefer a sauce. It is also used as a topping for pizza or pasta, as a spread for sandwiches or wraps, as a flavoring for soups or stews, and as a side dish for grilled or roasted meat and vegetables. While a ketchup may be used as a condiment for burgers, hot dogs, and sandwiches, dipping sauce for French fries or onion rings, flavoring for meatloaf or meatballs, ingredient in barbecue sauce or cocktail sauce, as a topping for eggs and omelets, or as a base for homemade salad dressing. Have you ever thought about homemade sauce or ketchup? Well, the methods to prepare the two at home are much easier than you must have ever thought. To prepare a sauce, you need to follow the steps as follows. Wash and prepare the vegetables or fruits. Chop or puree the ingredients. Combine the chopped or pureed ingredients with spices and herbs. Cook the mixture over low heat while stirring occasionally until the sauce thickens. Allow the sauce to cool and bottle it to store in the refrigerator. While preparation of ketchup includes the steps as washing and preparing the tomatoes, chopping them, removing the seeds, cook them over a low heat until they become softened and break down. Strain the tomato pulp to remove any remaining seeds or skins. Combine the pulp with vinegar, sugar, and spices. Cook over low heat. Stir occasionally until it thickens. Allow the ketchup to cool. Bottle it and store in a refrigerator. And your homemade servings are ready to go. Hey, before leaving this video, can you name one brand for sauce and ketchup? In the comment section, let's see how many variety of brands you people trust to.